Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into efficiently handling large datasets in Python using Pandas. Dealing with data that doesn't fit neatly into memory requires a combination of techniques, from optimizing data types to leveraging chunking and out-of-core processing. This tutorial will cover a range of strategies with detailed explanations and code examples. Understanding the challenge, why large is a problem. Before we start optimizing, it's important to understand why large datasets pose a challenge. Memory constraints. Your computer has a finite amount of RAM. When you load a dataset into memory, it consumes space. If the dataset exceeds available memory, you'll run into MemoryError exceptions, and your program will crash. Performance degradation. Even if the dataset technically fits in memory, operations can become incredibly slow.